Hello everyone, good evening all of you. Today's topic about my transformation. I want to share with you. But before going ahead, I will introduce myself. Hi, my name is Vijaya Savle. I'm doing business and I'm also student of Zero to Your English Academy from Gold Wedge. Really, it is a very awesome journey to me, and I have to share which what challenge I have faced and how I've overcome that my transformation. And it is my testimonial video. Yeah, it is like that I have facing so much challenge in the time of college because I came from vernacular medium and I have facing so much challenge in office also, and as well as in business time also. So many challenges are came. I didn't understand how to talk with the people. I can understand the English language, but I could not speak single line also. But after joining the class, I got so much confident about that because of all practice, right guidance. I got so much knowledge about the grammar, and I got proper environment to talking with the student. They are complete our goal batch. All students are talking only in English. That's why I'm improved lots of, and environment matter lots. Because of that environment, I could speak anywhere, anybody. That's the important thing. And this is transformation only for the right guidance, right action, and right environment. I could speak. And really, it is a my journey is so awesome because I really remember this journey. Because of every activity, I'm so, and I got energy to talk with people in English language. Now I'm finding the people who can understand the English because I want to practice that. And this is my transformation. In front of you, I'm talking very nice English. Thank you very much for watching me. Thank you.